Latrobe, Pennsylvania, let's make some noise! Who's ready for the Thunderbirds? Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Major Jeff Downey, Thunderbird 8, the team's advanced pilot and narrator from Arlington, Virginia. We're super excited to be here with you in Latrobe, Pennsylvania, and today I want to tell you about the Thunderbird mission, a demonstration of the teamwork, the dedication, and professionalism that mirrors that of your Air Force active duty, guard, and reserve personnel deployed around the globe. As our jets taxi out to begin today's demonstration, our Thunderbird crew chiefs are already preparing for their recovery. Let's watch as our incredible maintenance professionals continue to demonstrate the same level of precision on the ground that you are about to witness in the skies.
At least they're not getting too far grass. You got red.
Yeah, no kidding. I normally don't burn ever, but I've been living in darkness
The
for the
team is
past
comprised of
couple months.
proud professionals who are motivated by a passion for service and a commitment to excellence. It all started in 1953 with the F-84 Thunderjet. In just 6 days, the first Thunderbird team crafted a demonstration that would shape the future of military jet demonstration teams for years to come. The Thunderbirds became the first supersonic capable jet demo team in 1956 with the transition to the F-100 Super Saver. In the early years, flying at supersonic speeds and creating a sonic boom was an accepted way to begin the demonstration. While supersonic flight is now prohibited, the Thunderbird tradition of showcasing America's frontline fighter aircraft and representing the pride, precision, and professionalism of all our 697,000 airmen continues today in the current team you see before you.
I'd love to see one guy just say fuck it. Me too. I already got
We're all standing here like
Thunderbirds have been showing Americans what our Air Force can do for the past 70 years. Since 1953, not a single demonstration has been canceled due to a maintenance problem. Please join me in thanking the true heroes of our team at the United States Air Force, our maintenance and support professionals.
What happened? The Thunderbirds. One of them said fuck it. And I thought that.
Since 1947, the Air Force has been leading the fight through innovation. 6 years later, in 1953, the Thunderbirds joined that legacy. Throughout Air Force history, the Thunderbirds have showcased to the American public and the world the latest advancement in America's fighter technology. When our nation and allies have called us to provide humanitarian relief, disaster relief, or global vigilance, the Air Force is always there. You can be confident in your airmen as they remain ready and poised to answer that call in years to come.
literally
In
landed on a
fact,
strip
as we
like this.
perform for you today, an Air Force cargo aircraft is on final in a deployed location delivering critical supplies to our forces there. A-10s, F-15s,
And then in your
F-16s,
multi-million-dollar jet, they're only
F-22s,
ride a fucking mountain bike on.
B-52s, B-1s, and RPAs are standing by with precision close air support and overwatch over our Army and Marine Corps convoys.
I guess they have
Our
to
intelligence
that
personnel are keeping a close eye on our adversaries around the globe. and Space Command is standing vigilant to ensure uninterrupted global communication. We stand ready to ensure dominance in air,
I just want to know why that
space,
one.
and
You
cyberspace.
can barely hear that. Okay, you're really loud.
I should have been out twice already. Shit.
No, I feel it.
As the Thunderbirds take to the skies over here in Latrobe, Pennsylvania, you'll hear the sound of freedom. 70 years ago in 1953, Thunderbird history began in the straight-wing F-84. This Korean War fighter bomber was used primarily for low-level interdiction missions, attacking bridges and enemy railroads with bombs and rockets. In 1956, the team transitioned to the world's first supersonic fighter, the swept-wing F-100 Super Sabre. Originally designed for air-to-air combat, it too became a multi-role fighter used extensively in Vietnam to attack targets both on the ground and in the sky. And while the team briefly flew the F-105 Thunder Chief, another Vietnam-era workhorse, the Thunderbirds returned to the F-100 and flew for a total of 13 years. In 1969, the twin-engine McDonnell Douglas F-4E Phantom II was proudly painted in Thunderbird colors. This Vietnam fighter flew air superiority, close air support, long-range strike, and reconnaissance missions for the Air Force, Navy, and the Marine Corps. In fact, it was the first and only fighter that was flown by both the Thunderbirds and the Blue Angels. After flying a total of 518 shows for a record 12 million people, the Thunderbirds transitioned to the supersonic Northrop T-38 Talon in 1974. The T-38 demonstrated to the American public what high-performance aircraft could do, and it did that job impressively and reliably for nearly a decade. In 1983, the team returned to a frontline Air Force fighter, the F-16A. This multi-role fighter was seen by nearly 17 million people in 33 states during the first show season. Today, the team flies the Lockheed Martin F-16C Fighting Falcon, commonly referred to as the Viper. It's used around the globe to find and attack targets both in the air and on the ground. Its powerful Pratt & Whitney engines produce more than 29,000 pounds of thrust. That is approximately 85,000 horsepower, more than the entire starting lineup of the Daytona 500 combined. Artillery speeds in excess of Mach 2, twice the speed of sound, over 1,500 miles per hour. The F-16 can carry more than 11,000 pounds of munitions. That's 5.5 tons of bombs, and they can take those weapons around the globe. As Thunderbirds, we demonstrate more than the capabilities of our aircraft. We also demonstrate the quality of the people who fly them, maintain them, and support them. Because the metal airframes and wires inside them mean nothing without the unparalleled training, the unbelievable attention to detail, and the amazing professionalism that you will see today. Right now, the pilots are completing some pre-flight checks at the end of the runway, and once they're ready, they will take to the skies. Soon you will hear Thunderbird 1 command the pilots to run up their engines as they accelerate down the runway from your right to your left. Lieutenant Colonel Elliott will then demonstrate the superior thrust-to-weight ratio of the F-16 by immediately pulling the noses up into the vertical, performing the diamond loop on takeoff. As the planes lift off the ground, watch our slot pilot, Major Orange Schlichten. She'll move quickly from the right wing into the slot position, forming the famous Thunderbird diamond. Following the diamond takeoff, our solo pilots will perform the mayhem takeoff. Thunderbird 6 will take off from your left to your right in maximum afterburner and perform an aileron roll at low altitude. After that, Thunderbird 5 will take off from your right to your left, immediately pull 60 degrees into the vertical, and perform a split S, reversing his direction while still over the runway. Hang tight while we get ready to fire on up.